Hey Blasters, and welcome to the metalfinisher.com's 12 Days of Christmas. Today is the 9th day of Christmas, and today Kip brings to us the Z-Link by RPB. Stay tuned. Welcome back, Blasters. So today we've got the Z-Link by RPB, which is a welding and grinding helmet. And the one that we have has the welding attachment to it. So we're going to go over some of the features of these helmets, which is a great tool if you're doing any welding, grinding, or painting. So the first thing that you'll notice is we have the welding attachment on it. So Kip here can actually see everything that's going on. It is light sensitive, so once you spark an arc with your welder, it will automatically tint. There's a bunch of settings that you can put into it. On the back side of it, you got your light sensitivity, your immediate, or you can postpone your tinting for your arc if you're doing any sort of spot welding or anything like that. And all you gotta do is flip it up, and then you have your clear protective front to it. So if you're doing any welding or grinding or anything like that, sparks can't get into your face. And if your coworker comes by and you wanna call him an idiot, you just flip that up, and now you can talk freely. Now, some of the other things that you can do with this helmet, you got different ear pads to go in it, so you can actually have noise canceling type of ear muffs in it for very loud environments. It does have ratchet adjustments on the back, so it fits all your big-headed people and your small-headed people like myself. It's got the helmet up top to protect you from anything falling. It's got all the face in the front. And on the back here, you can either hook to their PX4, which is their PAPR system. It is a fan controlled, sucks in the air, it comes up and through. You can't do the climate control like you can with a fresh air coming off of your compressor, because it doesn't have the CFM to do it, but it will filter. It's got a HEPA filter in there, so it will filter up to like 5 microns or 0.5 microns, so all your dust, particulate, all the grit that you got coming out and everything else, smoke, anything like that. It has a spark arrestor on the front of that filter, so anything, sparks or fire or anything, you don't got to worry about it catching flame and setting your whole backside on fire. This thing should run for about 8-hour shift. The battery pops out, set it on the charger when you're done, come back to work, pop it right back in. The battery itself is also really cool. It has a battery indicator light on the battery itself, so you don't have to hook to anything. You can test your battery right then and there, see how much power is on it, see if you gotta throw it on the charger or not. We always suggest getting 2, that way you have 1 fully charged at all times. You can pop it in, get right back to work. There's all sorts of variety of things you can get with these, like the capes and the cowls. They come in a bunch of different varieties depending on what kind of environment you're working on. Even the front, turn around, Kip. Even the front, you can get a bunch of different tints for that. Green, yellow, smoke, all sorts of fun stuff like that. This is an added on bonus if you are a welder and you're gonna be grinding and stuff too. So all in all, tons of features that you can add on to it or get it as the base unit, and it is still an awesome helmet that serves up a ton of protection from multiple things, like getting a ball to the face, for instance. And he's okay. Anything to say, Kip?